Alright guys, welcome back. I'm going to do a quick demo. This time I am going to play Strange Fruit from Dominic Phil's Amy. These are the Parasound Wilkins 606 Series 3. 6.5 bit bass with a 1-inch titanium dome tweeter. I'm using my Wiim streamer and the DAC that's inside the Wiim with my Parasound 2125 power amp, about 150 watts channel, and my Parasound 200 pre. I'm not using the DAC in the pre, I'm using the DAC from the Wiim. Anyways, here we go guys, let me know.
Southern trees bear strange fruit, but the leaves grow at the root. Black bodies swinging in the southern breeze. Strange fruit hanging from the poplar tree. Pastoral scene of the gallant South. The bulging eyes and the twisted mouths. Scent of magnolia, so sweet and fresh. Then the sudden smell of burning flesh. Here is a fruit for the crows to pluck, for the rain to gather, for the wind to suck, for the sun, for the sun to, for the trees to draw. The trees to draw. Strange and bitter cry. Strange and bitter.
Well, there you go guys. Let me know in the comments on what you think. Thank you.